Okay, you guys, today brings us to the next segment of our trip. We no longer have our guests with us. Now it's easy traveling, just me and Apple. Smooth sailing, as they say. When it's just her and I, we know each other so well. Our travels are very easy and we don't have to look after anybody. But anyway, we are in Surat Thani. We are in a little city called Don Sak, a little fishing village here. We are on our way to Koh Phaluai. We were supposed to take the ferry service, and last minute schedule changes. They don't run on odd numbered days. Today's an odd numbered day. So we had to hire a boat, little fishing boat, longtail boat. I have no idea how long this is gonna take. I don't know how far this is. I don't know how fast the boat is gonna go. I do know it's gonna be warm though. And so that is about it. You're probably gonna see me with my sun hat on here before too long. And you guys are coming along with us to Koh Phaluai. So there goes our luggage. Another change. We are moving to another pier. Some dude just showed up on a motorbike and took our luggage away. So I don't know. I think he's gonna drop off the luggage on the boat and maybe come back and pick us up. Maybe. I'm not really sure. I'm letting Apple handle it, go with the flow. Easy time, sabai sabai.
เขาก็ไม่รับโทรศัพท์แล้วสิหนูโทรไปหลายรอบว่าทีแรกก็ว่าจะอยู่กันแถวขนอมนี่แหละไม่ไปหรอกแล้วทีนี้ตอนเย็นๆ
And Apple makes friends everywhere we go. I don't know who this person is, but maybe on the boat with us, maybe not, I'm not sure. So first our belongings disappeared, then my wife disappeared, and now I am disappearing. I guess we have to go to another pier to pick up the boat. So it's working out so far. Lots of changes, last minute changes. There's my prized possession. Okay, so we survived the crossing. We were on that little boat right there. No cover against the sun. And we got wet. But we made it. And we can always dry our clothes and dry ourselves. So that's about it. See what this island looks like. It looks pretty beautiful up in there, and we're on our way to the resort. Looks like we're here. So we just had an outstanding lunch. We're still kind of drenched, soaked with seawater from that boat trip. But we are now getting shown to our room, and I want to show you guys the room before we mess it up.
follow on that side. Careful, babe. This is like a welcome to the
ขึ้นเขา
jungle.
หน่อย
Yes, no problem ค่ะไม่มีปัญหา Wow, we can just find snakes right here. Don't have to go far at all.
Apple,
Yes.
show me
Welcome
our room.
to our room at Phaluai Eco Resort. So we have bed right here. Low version. 2 fans. That's for my makeup area. Oh, sorry guys, no electricity yet. That's a toilet, restroom. Quite dark. Oh, look at this mosquito net. It's cute.
So we're across the road, sitting up high with a beautiful, beautiful view. I'm liking this place. Really nice breeze coming in. The power turns on, I think, at 6 p.m. and it goes all night. So we can charge our batteries. We can run the fans if we need them. The guy was saying, I think he was saying in Thai, that we could open our doors and windows and just get this really nice sea breeze. I think it's going to be very comfortable. Happy we made the trip out here. It was looking a little rough there with the discrepancies with the ferry schedule. We were very close to canceling it, but anyway, it worked out. We are here and we are going to be exploring this place starting tomorrow. Okay, you guys, this is the morning time. We just woke up and we were gonna hitch a ride to a viewpoint, and we are driving by one of these other resorts where they have set out food for these hornbills, and they are so beautiful we had to stop. Okay, you guys, again, first day in Koh Phaluai. We tried to rent a motorbike, but there weren't any available. So this gentleman from the resort offered to drive us to one of the viewpoints. The road is not finished, as you can see, and he's going with us so we don't get lost. Okay, Apple,
Yes.
tell everybody where we're going.
We are going to another viewpoint. We are going to be the first guests. So we will see what's going on. The road is so scary.
Like this?
They are not open to public yet, so we are going to be the first. So let's see.
So Apple made friends with the uncle, we call him here,
Ciao.
Uncle Chow, and he wanted to show us this viewpoint that's under construction. It's not open yet, and he says that we are the first people to go up here. And of course, that's why this road is crazy. So it looks like it's the highest viewpoint, right?
Yes.
It's higher than the viewpoint that we were at earlier. I have one drone battery left, so I'm gonna try to get that up in the air. And the sun is shining now, so we'll see how it looks. Okay, you guys, this is the future spot for the highest viewpoint on Koh Phaluai. In the background, if you can see it between the trees, that's Ang Thong. It's a national park, a different island, of course. And then off this direction is Koh Samui and Koh Phangan, off that direction there. It is really nice. There's a great view up here. Of course, this is why they picked it right for the future viewpoint, highest viewpoint on the island. But again, it's not open yet, but I guess we're like the first foreigners that they brought up here, which is kind of cool. But I attribute that to Apple because she tends to make friends with everybody. Good morning. On our last day in Koh Phaluai, we managed to get a motorbike today. So we're going to adventure around the island, but the road here doesn't even make a loop. It just goes left and dead ends, and then it also goes to the right and dead ends. We are going to head to a seafood restaurant, not for breakfast. We're actually gonna be eating there this evening, but we were told at about 11 a.m. they feed some hornbills right there, sort of as an attraction, wild hornbills. So for those of you that know me, know that I love hornbills. So we're headed that direction. Apple is
The driver
the
today.
driver and co-pilot.
With the manual motorbike.
Yes.
Let's see how this goes. I need, yes. Can you move a little bit? Great, thank you. Ready, baby?
Yep. So we decided to try this place for lunch and then go back to the other place for dinner. They said the hornbills come just sort of randomly, but they said the hornbills sometimes make an appearance in the afternoon, early evening. So we're gonna try both of these places. These are the two go-to places for seafood here. Guys, this is our last day and night here in Koh Phaluai. A beautiful evening. There's no wind at all. The last two nights have been quite breezy. Man, it's so serene. It's beautiful. And what a shame that I could not go into the water with my stitches. We brought masks, snorkels, the whole thing, and I was unable to get my stitches wet. So that really sucks. So we might have to come back again, right?
Yes, we
Come back. This very calm, serene place. But we didn't really get to explore it thoroughly because of my stupid injury. But we're going for seafood again. Apple's gonna drive us.
It's dinner time and we are at #1 seafood at Koh Phaluai. So we ordered butter shrimp, tempura shrimp, and some tom yum shrimp, some fish right there. And we are waiting for some crabs. They're making it right now. So the crabs are done and then they just serve it to us. There's like a steamed crabs, some crackers, some spicy seafood dressing.
Good morning, you guys. Ferry back to the mainland.
It's so
To show you,
dark.
it's 6:10 in the morning. The boat leaves, or no, I'm sorry, it's 6:40, I think, and the boat leaves at 7. And I'll give you a look at the boat. It's just a slow ferry, but it's early in the morning, so shouldn't be too hot. Maybe a breeze will come up later, I hope.